Hey guys, so this week I traveled to Melbourne to explore the city, get some client work done and go on a road trip to the Great Ocean Road. The past few hours since I'm here it was rainy and cloudy, but as we are getting closer to sunset, the conditions are getting better, so I'm very hopeful that we will get at least a decent sunset, but we will see. But until we wait for that sunset, let's explore the city. So in Melbourne you have this special feeling of you are walking in the Botanic Garden, or like I was walking in the Fitzroy Gardens 5 minutes ago. You pass a few streets and you get to a point where it's full of graffitis. So street art here in Melbourne started in the 1980s and it became one of the capital for street art. It goes together so well with the whole vibe of the city. So I only have a couple of hours left here in Melbourne. I really want to do a little street photography, so hopefully the rain will stop a bit at least. So today I decided to come to Yarra Ranges National Park, and currently I'm on the Black Spur drive. It's raining today again, but actually I don't mind, because this is one of the places in the whole world where I don't mind if it's a bit rainy and moody, because it actually suits the place better than sunshine. So today I met up with my friend Santiago and we left Melbourne to see the Great Ocean Road, and instead of going on the coast we started to drive inland, and right now we are in Otway National Park doing some waterfalls, then checking to our accommodation, and tomorrow will be all about the Great Ocean Road. So we shouldn't waste a minute, let's start exploring. Unfortunately for our last day, the weather turned bad again. So we have decided to slowly head back to Melbourne, hoping for a little sunshine on the way. But that never happened. So I caught my afternoon flight and headed back to Sydney. I hope you enjoyed this week's video and see you guys in the next one.